Ang daming nagtatanong, Riza, you own a construction firm. Di ba napaka-stressful niyan? Why do you still look fresh? Joke lang. Ang sagot dyan is tamang delegation. For example, yung mga problema ko, pinapasa ko sa ibang tao. That's delegation. Yeah, joke lang. For example, there's a problem in the site. No. That's not your problem. It's the problem of your site engineer, the problem of your project manager. Bilang CEO, you focus on bigger tasks rather than small tasks because you decide where the company is going. Your main role is to create a company that still runs even without you on site. Kung hindi nila kayang ayusin ang problemang yan, tanggalin mo na. Joke lang.